Welcome to this video. This is the repair of electric golf carts at Redemption Camp at Mowe, Nigeria, Ogun State. We carry out the repair of this electric golf cart that has been abandoned several years ago. The electrical wiring was properly troubleshooted through the dashboard because our engineering company is an expert to manufacture and to repair electric vehicle, electric golf cart, electric bike, electric tricycle. In this video, we will carry you along as we restore this electric golf cart fully. Keep watching. Now all the wiring has been restored. We need to test drive to drive it out before we come back to complete it. One of the tire is being totally deflated. The tire needs to be pumped before the lightings will be restored. If you can look at the right tire by the back side, the rear tire by the right side has been totally deflated. So now, after the test driving, the golf cart will be taken back into the compound here where we are doing the repair. So here the tire is being pumped. This is test driving on the road. Now we are taking it back into the workshop to carry out the full license wiring, which is the full repair. Keep watching.
Now, engineer is testing the reverse. You see, say a reverse proper. They turn the reverse wella. After the first troubleshooting, now we say may we bring and come outside. May we come drive and small before we go carry and go back. So now engineer put on for to move forward. The thing they move forward proper. So you say the wiring is done wella. Now you see say now the company motto where be the one with the company where about our engineering company manufacturer in different so now you see say the thing they reverse proper. Now the electric golf cart is moving wella. Even though na low speed movement design, when you configure them to the move slow because na golf or you do them where then they use and they play. Now this na our own homemade car. This one our own products where we say we manufacture for our company. Many of now don't see the video, the manufacturing video of this electric vehicle where we made for public transportation, for to the carry people for public transport business. Now we propose this design for. So now we are driving back to the workshop inside the church compound where we repair the electric golf cart. So now the electric golf cart now you they see for front, so from inside the glass through our car. So now we are on the way go back. Engineer is driving back to the workshop where the full wiring will be carried out wella. So now when I don't see the electric golf cart is moving seriously well. Welcome back to the workshop. Now here we go do the finishing wiring all the wiring now will be finally done. The wiring of the ignition key, the pointer, the rear light, the headlamp, the trafficator, the horn, everything will be finally repaired. Now, the lithium battery. Now in the inside, so will be brand new lithium battery. We be say it go last for many years. So now, may you see how engineer they fix the headlamp. Now, the headlamp is being taken and is to be installed. Now, we be say the headlamp, the rear light, everything go they work seriously. Where keep watching.
I know you follow the ground.